Tired of wrestling with keyboard controls and longing for that realistic racing feel in Forza Horizon 5? Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Thrustmaster T150 wheel to Forza Horizon 5 in a few easy steps. First, make sure your Thrustmaster T150 is plugged into a power outlet. Then, connect the USB cable from the wheel directly into an available USB port on your PC or Xbox. Avoid using USB hubs if possible, as they can sometimes cause connection issues. Now, launch Forza Horizon 5, head over to the main menu, and navigate to the settings. Once you're in settings, look for the controls section, usually indicated by an icon of a gamepad or steering wheel. Within the controls menu, find the wheel tab. This is where you'll configure your Thrustmaster T150. Forza Horizon 5 should automatically detect your Thrustmaster T150. You can now adjust force feedback, sensitivity, and other wheel settings to your preference. Experiment with these settings to find what feels best for your driving style. And that's it. You're now ready to experience Forza Horizon 5 with the immersive control of your Thrustmaster T150. Enjoy the ride.